Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, girls. Today we're going to start the chapter 3rd. The name of the chapter is Input and Output Handling in C language. Through this chapter, at the end, inshallah, you will be able to use the functions of output, input, and using the statements, terminators, format specifiers, and able to define the escape sequence and now how to use them in programs, define arithmetic operators, assignment operators, relational, logical operators, and now how to use them in operators. At the end, you will be able to differentiate between assignment operators, equal to operators, unary and binary operators, expression ternary, and at the end, you will be able to define and now the order of precedence of operators. Clear? Input and output operation basically provide the communications between a computer programs and a computer users. Let's start the first topic. Input and output functions. In C language, provide interactions between a computer's program and a user's. Input means to enter or feed data into a computer. Output means what the computer produces after processing the data. The first thing is that output functions. Output functions means what the computer produced after processing the data, to display informations on screen, print on printers. In C language, for output, we use the following functions: print f, put character, puts. The first thing is displaying our single characters. When you want to display a single characters, you will be use the put character functions. This function is used to output a single characters on the screen. Syntax of this: put character, small brackets, and with inverted commas you write the characters, and terminate must be terminated with semicolons. Example is put character suppose A. When you want to display a strings, you will be use the syntax is put statements. The question is, what is a string? String is a sequence of characters like name, address, word, sentence. Means when you want to display a name of the person, address of anything, and want to give the address of anything, you want to display the words, formal sentences, you will use the sentence, you will be use the strings. The put function is used to output a string on screens. Syntax is put with small brackets, and with inverted commas you will write the strings. Example is put it's a computer class. Clear? And that you have written inside that inverted commas as it is will be appeared on the screen. Displaying strings. Uses of the strings. This function is used for a special purposes. It can only output one string at a time. It is used when programmers want to output a single string. It is required to use header files, means string.h, at the beginning of the programs, means preprocessors, directories you will be used. Syntax is put strings. The next is when you want to display the text, variable, constants, and expressions, you will be use the printf functions. Printf statements you will be used. And this is the most commonly used in C language when you use the programs, when you write the programs. This function is used to output a text and values on screen in the specified format. The syntax is printf, small bracket, control underscore string, comma, list of arguments. Explanations of this syntax is the control underscore string consists of a text, the format specifiers, and the escape sequence. So first thing is that what is the text? text specify the message that is to be printed along with the values. Second is format specifiers. Format specifier basically specify the formats according to which a value is to be printed, like %d for values and %f used for the floating points. Escape sequence is also used inside the control strings to control the printing on the output devices, like /n. /n is a /n. This is the escape sequence. The next is the list of the arguments. List of arguments consists of the list of variables and arithmetic expressions, and these is separated by commas whose values are to be printed. Got it? These values printed according to a corresponding format specifiers. The first format specifier apply to the first argument and the second to the second argument, and so on. These are in printf functions are optional when used for message only. That time arguments are omitted. Means when you want to display only a message, the list of the argument is omitted in the syntax. But when you will express the values, variables, arithmetic expressions, you will be used, then the list of argument will be used. Example, like printf small bracket /n. Okay, how to write it? Printf, it means that you want to display something on the screen. Small bracket /n is the escape sequence. The value of a, suppose a is, this is the text, the value of a is a text, %d is the format specifiers, and the value of b is another text, b is a variable, and %d is the second specifiers. Means the value of a will be displayed over here and the value of b is displayed over there. Mean the first format specifier applied to the first arguments. Okay, the first format specifier apply the first arguments and the second format specifier applies to the second arguments. Got it? Suppose the value of a is 5 and the value of b is 6.